Hey guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to enable emit abbreviation in Visual Studio Code. Okay, what emit does is that anytime you put emit and hit tab, most of the code will be pre-filled for you. Here's the case, emit has stopped working, so we need to go into the settings and enable it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable that. So hey, if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, because on this channel I show you how to build websites as well as web hosting and other tech related content. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. All right, so immediately I hit shift plus exclamation and hit tab or enter, it does not appear. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you. So you go to settings, okay, this gear icon, and click on it. Go to here, click, make sure you click on emit, okay, and scroll down, click on edit in settings.json, okay, click on it. All right, so this is our settings JSON file. Please, we're going to paste some line of code here. All right, so you hit enter to give some space, Ctrl plus V to paste this code. So this code will help us, or help emit, be triggered anytime we hit exclamation and hit on tab. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. Exclamation, tab, and here we go. Okay, so that's how you enable emit in case your emit disappears after updating your Visual Studio Code software. I hope this video has been informative. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.